Not sure if you have already, but thoughts on the Hyundai Creta N-Line. So good for you. This is gonna be the first time we're gonna talk about it. So Dakni with a lot of ease. Shoutout sa'yo. Sagutin natin. So super duper honest thoughts about the Hyundai Creta N-Line. I don't know if I've made it obvious, but I personally really like this car. It's just the most unique in the segment. If I'm not mistaken, siya lang yata yung pinaka-sporty sa lahat ng competitors niya, no? Sa compact crossover SUV segment. I can think of another sporty option. So if you're someone who is looking for that sporty looks, sporty vibe, then this is the option for you. When it comes to the cosmetics, you have red accents all over your interior. Sarap sa mata yung magiging red niya, no? Yung mga accents niya saktong-sakto lang, hindi masyadong overwhelming, not that OA. So okay, in terms of the cosmetics, wala akong masabi. And then red calipers for yung brakes natin, no? So red accents interior and exterior wise. There's an abundance of those really red accents na hindi overpowering like I mentioned, and you still get that elegance and sophistication. When it comes to the features naman, hindi rin siya papahuli. It also has my non-negotiable, especially for this price of around 1.3 or 1.4 million. It has a 360-degree camera and all the sensing as well. Safety sensing, especially if you're gonna make this your family car for long trips or daily drive. Lastly, not just with the looks, not just with the feel and the vibe, but also with the performance. You have that 1.5 liter turbo engine, which is really great and will be really fun to drive, especially you have those paddle shifters. However, even though I really love and I'm very satisfied with this Creta N-Line, no, there are still some cons with it, of course, as usual. Wala siyang sunroof, and of course, it's not a hybrid option, so you need to consider that very well against its competitors. Again, I made a YouTube full walk-around review about this Hyundai Creta N-Line, but overall package, kung ako lang, I think I'm very likely to choose this as my car, especially the white one combined with the red accents. I really like this car. So again, sana nakatulong. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow for more.